How to set up and use the memory recall feature on a Sony Alpha camera. If you own a Sony Alpha camera including models like the A7, A7 II, A7 III, A7 IV, or A7 V, the memory recall feature allows you to save and quickly access custom shooting settings. This is ideal for scenarios where you frequently switch between different photography styles such as landscapes, portraits, or action shots. Step 1. Configure your desired settings. Before saving settings to memory recall, configure your camera based on your needs. Adjust shooting mode, aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Set focus mode, white balance, and metering mode. Fine-tune additional settings like picture profile, creative style, or drive mode. Step 2. Save settings to a memory slot. Press the menu button to open the settings menu. Navigate to shoot mode/drive 1. Select memory or recall register. Choose a memory slot. Confirm your selection by pressing OK. Your current settings will now be saved to the chosen memory slot. Step 3. Access saved settings using memory recall. To quickly switch to your saved settings, turn the mode dial to MR, memory recall. Use the control wheel to select the desired memory slot, like for 1, 2, M1, or M2. Press OK to activate the saved settings. By setting up and using the memory recall feature on your Sony Alpha camera, you can streamline your workflow and focus on capturing the perfect shot. Let me know if you found this guide helpful or if you have further questions.